What's up guys, and welcome to a new video. Your morning sets the tone for the rest of your day. And as I want you to become your best version possible, we need to talk about the perfect morning routine. So in today's video, we'll show you exactly the 5 steps that you should implement into your daily morning routine. By implementing it step by step, it will help you to become way more productive, successful, and also a way more happier person as well. But before we're going to start with today's video, just take a quick second and smash that like and subscribe button down below. Commit yourself to become your best version possible, because I will upload every single day a new video to help you with that. So guys, make sure that you don't miss this opportunity. Alright guys, let's start with the video and the first step for a perfect morning routine, which is waking up early. Waking up early has so many great benefits. It will directly give you a productive feeling, which will simply lead to a more productive mindset for the day. It is definitely a very powerful method that will not only save you some time, but will also get you in the mindset of a productive and successful person. Also guys, make sure that you don't waste this time by just scrolling through your phone in the morning. Instead, use this time for yourself and to work on your goals. Let's continue with number 2, drinking green tea and water with lemon juice in the morning instead of the regular coffee. Replace your daily habit of drinking coffee with a more healthy and more effective option. Drink a cup of green tea and a glass of water with lemon juice. Green tea also contains caffeine and has a lot of minerals, vitamins and also antioxidants. It takes a bit longer to finally get its full effect, but it will keep you awake for a longer period of time. And it is also a way more healthy option for your body as well. Also, overnight you lose a lot of water, that's why it is so important to directly supply enough in the morning. Drink a glass of water, add some lemon juice in it, and it will directly give you an instant energy kick. So definitely try it out guys. And number 3 guys, exercise in the morning. You don't need to hit the gym in the morning, you can also start your day with a small home workout. This will instantly boost your metabolism, which will help you to burn more fat as well. And by already exercising in the morning, you don't need to think about it for the rest of your day, so you simply can't come up with any excuses to skip the workout, which happens oftentimes after a long day of work. So do yourself a favor and directly start your day with a small workout. Let's continue with number 4, go mentally through your day. Prepare yourself mentally for the day, check your to-do list and schedule, prime yourself for a successful day, and visualize how you conquer each and every task and how you come closer to your end goal. Trust me guys, this can have a huge effect for you if you do it the right way. It will set your mind up for a successful day and prepare you for each and every task and problem that comes in between. And last but not least guys, meditate for 15 minutes. I know so many guys talk about meditation, but it is such a powerful tool. It will help you to become way more relaxed and way more focused for the rest of your day. It also reduces stress and anxiety, and you will feel more present in the current moment. So just find a quiet and peaceful place and practice meditation for 15 minutes every morning. Do it for the next 7 to 10 days and see how much better you will feel. And that's basically it for today's video. Those are the 5 steps that you should implement into your morning routine. Make sure to subscribe to the channel as well. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next video.